How to install Windows 11 on Windows 10. So if you have a Windows 10 PC and then you decide you want to install Windows 11, it's very simple to upgrade your laptop to Windows 11. Now first you simply open your browser and you search for Windows 11 official Microsoft link. You'll find the first link from Microsoft that says download Windows 11. When you go there, there are essentially three ways to install a Windows 11. One is via installation assistant, which is the most easiest method, or you can create an installation media using a pen drive, or you can download Windows 11 disk image for ISO or anything like that. Now, once you've downloaded this installation assistant at the top, you could simply open up that installation assistant. Now, after that, it'll prompt you for a couple of questions. Now, because in my case, I'm already on Windows 11, you can see it says that this device is already running the latest version of Windows. But if you are on Windows 10 or even older versions, you'll find the option to follow the on-screen instructions to be able to install Windows 11 on your Windows 10 laptop. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.